Know it. Yeah, definitely running with the soldiers on this one. No hook.
We are the church with the truth, still down the road with the troops. Run through the city, praying for all of my woes. Jesus the one with the juice, covered in blood. I remember many days, flipping out, not a somersault. Letting me get the best of me. Pride came like phone calls, voicemails or messages. Turning up to what the level is. Time ticking on my watch. God's grace was like medicine. Now I'm on a mission of reaching my neighbor, impacting my city, and that is the work. It is finally a vision. I'm casting a net for the people who listen, and I gotta get it. Sticking to business, showing the lost the path, a path of redemption. Bringing a hope to the hopeless, hoping they get it. Bringing a light to the streets, knowing they miss it. Time is ticking. God on my side and I'm taking these shots like I cannot miss. Surrendered to Christ, gave him my life, he covered the bed. Leading a generation, back to the Father. I'm gon' do this till I die. I know what permanent is, all about my Father's business. I know I'm committed to bringing that new balance. Lace the game like tennis shoes. Running in this marathon, don't know if I got plenty time. Distractions keep us tied up. There's ribbons at the finish line. Running through the block like I got coaches. I'm prepared to ride the wave if I see a tide approaching. That's my Father, he won't tarnish. Please don't bother, bless my wife, leave my daughter.